Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Rapido Captain in iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Here, look for the App Store icon and tap on the App Store icon to open it up. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search bar located at the bottom of the screen. Type Rapido Captain and tap the Go button. From the search results, you'll see that the Rapido Captain app is not available in my App Store, but here's how to download it. First, close the App Store, then head over to your web browser of choice. Once you're in the browser, go to the address bar at the top of the screen. Type Rapido Captain and hit the search button. You'll see various search results offering the Rapido Captain app download. Simply click on Install on the first result. This will open the App Store on phone on the apps page. You'll see the Get or Install button. Tap on it to complete the download process. After the download is complete, tap on Open to launch the Rapido Captain app. So that's basically how you can install Rapido Captain in iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.